All right, this is an addendum to our earlier build video for the airbag pickups, the 48 through 56 Fords and the 55 to 59 Chevy pickups. We made some changes to our airbag assembly and we'll show you how that's done now. So now that we've got the lower control arm on, we're going to put the airbag assembly together and connect it up here to the hat. So first thing we'll talk about is the hat itself. This is the front edge, so the air fitting is going to face forward. This is a change in about summer of 2022. So if you have a chassis built prior to that, this cup will be centered and the airbag will come out the rear, and that's covered in another video. So all we're going to do with our hat here, our cup, I'm going to set it on the bag. This is your hardware pack. It's got all the bolts for the bag itself, the air fitting, the bump stops are in there, etc. This is your shock bolt hardware. So we'll go ahead and put this assembly together between the lower A-arm and the chassis. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put Teflon paste on our pipe threads here and install the air fitting into the bag. Make sure it's pointing forward once it's tight. So go ahead and do that. And let me grab a wrench. Yeah. There we go. Put your cup on, put the flat washers in, and then your two nylock nuts. We'll tighten these down. All right, so we're going to put the airbag into the A-arm. We've got multiple positions here. The bag's going to go in these two long slots that face front to rear with the bag pushed all the way to the front. So that, we do that, put your hardware on, and then we'll set it into the top, and we'll come back and put the bolt in. So with the hat installed, the airbag into the arm, pushed all the way forward, we can look at our fitting here. There's room to get a wrench in to align this. So if you need to change its position a little bit to help get the line on, there's room to do that. Okay, let's put the airline on. So you got your 90-degree fitting up here at the bag. And then we come around behind the bag and connect to the frame. There it goes. Okay, and you've got room to reach in here and tighten this one. We're going to bring it up like so, that, and there you go. There you're set. For the full installation video, see the link in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at TCI Engineering.